Hi, today let's make tasty Masoor Dal Tadka. Try this recipe and let me know your food feedback later. Now in a cooker, I've added in soaked and washed cleaned Masoor Dal. Next I'm adding in chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, chopped ginger, chopped garlic as well. Now if you like your dal to be spicy, go ahead and add in chopped green chilies as well. I have kid at home so I've skipped it. Next I've added in salt along with some turmeric powder. Now I'll add in some coriander powder as well, and then what I'll be doing is I'll add in water to cook the dal, and then once you add the water, just give it a good mix so that the all the ingredients are beautifully combined, and just give some 2 to 3 whistles till the masoor dal is completely cooked. Now the masoor dal is cooked. Now I like to mash it like this because it gives a very smooth and creamy texture. Now for the tadka, I've added in ghee, I've added in some mustard seeds. Now I'll add in some cumin seeds as well. When the cumin seeds and the mustard seeds start spluttering, I'll add in some curry leaves, and when the curry leaves turns crispy, that is the time I like to add in some red chili powder to this ghee. It gives a great flavor to the dal. I've added in asafoetida, and then just give it a good mix, and now pour in your hot dal to this and just give it a good mix. See to that the tadka and the masoor dal are beautifully combined. Let it come to a nice boil and then garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. You can relish this masoor dal tadka with rice, naan, chapati, jeera rice. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.